Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day 5 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. And today we are combining 2 different days. We're day 1 and day 5. All right, so let's open up day 1, or day 5, sorry. Day 5. Is this going to be an embossing folder? Yay! Watch how I struggle here. Like, I cannot get this out. I have to grab a palette knife and pry it out of that little space. Yeah, couldn't do it. Could not do it with my fingers. So this is very cool. I'm very excited about this one because I have been wanting a little dots folder like this. So I'm excited. So my thought process is that I'm going to make it kind of look like a snowy sky. And I went ahead and embossed it with the embossing folder. And now we are going to lightly rub this Herigo Arts unicorn white pigment ink over the top of it. And we're going to try to make the dots look like snow. And then at the bottom of that cardstock panel, we are going to just like make it look like a snow pile or whatever. And if you notice the little streaks across there, that's where the embossing folder like stopped and started, because the edges of the embossing folder, they kind of like debossed the dots above them when I went and moved the folder down on the card panel. But yeah, so we're taking the car from the first day and we're cutting it out in red. We're going to do the gift in gold. I wanted this to look like a wintry, Christmassy type of thing. So we're going to do the wheels. And I did the bow in black as well. And we're just cleaning up all the pieces, seeing what we got. All right, and now we are going to assemble the car and the gift. I will say that I love these fine point glue bottles because it makes doing these type of projects super simple. So we don't make a giant mess. And yeah, oopsie, I just bumped the camera. My bad, sorry. But yeah, we're going to assemble the car after we get all the little fuzzies off of it. And here go the wheels. And fun fact, if you don't feel like die cutting the hubcaps of the tires out, a regular paper punch, like you'd use to punch a 3-ring binder type of thing, that works quite well for the same size-ish of circle. So just so you know, fun fact there. All right, and we adhered the gift on the top of the car, and it's not sticking, so I gotta try again. I have no patience. I want this to work now, not later. All right, and now we're going to glue the bow together. And all this is very finicky because it's such tiny pieces. All right, we're going to put the ribbon on. This is so tiny. Yeah, it looks like I'm getting like basically no glue, but we don't need that much because it's a teeny tiny piece on there. And we are going to glue that on. And then we are going to glue the little bow on top too. And I end up putting way too much glue on there. That is way more glue than that bow needs. Absolutely way more than it needs. So there's that. We're going to let it dry. And we are going to trim off that little excess ribbon piece. I'm not really sure why the ribbon piece is longer than it needs to be, but it is what it is. All right, so basically that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to take a piece of black cardstock and put it behind the windows of the car so you don't see the snowballs through there. Hey, sir, I'm going to need you to get out of the sink so I can wash my hands, please. Sonic, hey. Come on, get out of the sink. All right, so you saw the finished product and you saw the 5 seconds of Sonic. Let me know in the comments below how you would have used that embossing folder. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to come back tomorrow for day 6 of the Advent Calendar series from Spellbinders. Have a great day. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.